welcome back to my kitchen. It's Dami. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my fried rice. So let's get started. So in a large bowl I have 3 cups of rice and I'm just going to rinse this till the water runs clear. When I plan fried rice for Sunday afternoon, I like to cook my rice on Saturday night. It just makes it easier for me when I'm ready to make the rice on Sunday. It's faster and I get better results when I use cold rice. So I'm just going to rinse 3 cups of rice and then cook it in preparation for tomorrow. Now I'm going to drain the rice to get rid of all the water so that it doesn't mess my measurements up. So for the brand of rice I'm using, it requires 1 part of rice to 2 parts of liquid. So since I'm using 3 cups of rice, I'll be adding 6 cups of liquid. So I'll be using 4 cups of chicken stock and 2 cups of ordinary water. I'll leave a detailed description of all the measurements I used in the description box below. Please check it out. So I decided to dilute my chicken stock with some water because the chicken stock, I don't want the end product to be salty. So now I'm going to taste this to make sure the salt is enough so that I can adjust accordingly. Now I'm going to let it come up to a boil while the pot is open, and then once it comes up to a boil, I'm going to cover the pot and reduce it to medium heat. I let it come to a boil on high heat, so I'm going to reduce it to medium heat now. Now that all the liquid in the rice has been absorbed, it took about 20-25 minutes. The rice is ready. So I'm just going to taste it again and to make sure that the seasoning is enough in the rice. I like cooking my rice this way to make sure I don't have bland rice. Now I'm going to cover it up and leave it here tomorrow afternoon when I get back from church. So these are also my mixed vegetables and the shrimp I'll be using for my fried rice. I brought it out from the freezer and I'm going to put it in the fridge to thaw before tomorrow so that my fried rice won't be wet. So now it's the next day. The rice is cold. Just got back from church and this is perfect for my fried rice. So in my wok I'm going to be adding rendered chicken fat. I use this in my jollof rice video also. This really intensifies the chicken flavor in whatever you're cooking. I already made it with chicken stock. Now I'm using chicken fat to fry my rice, to stir fry my rice. Now I'm going to add some chopped onions. And I'm just going to saute this until it's translucent. So while my onions are doing their thing, I'm going to crack 3 eggs in a separate bowl. Then I season it with some salt and black pepper. Okay, mix this together. going to add some butter to my fry pan. I love eggs and butter. You can decide to use normal vegetable oil if you want. And then I'm going to cook my eggs. So now my eggs are ready. I'm going to set it aside. The onions are now fragrant and translucent, so I'm going to add my minced garlic and mix this up. And then I'll add my mixed vegetables. You can see all the liquid that drained from the vegetables while I let it thaw in the fridge overnight. So I'm going to add that now. And then I start to stir fry. Now I'm going to season my vegetables. Already seasoned the rice. I seasoned the eggs. I don't want the vegetables to be what is going to make my fried rice bland. So I'm just going to put some salt and some pepper. The chicken stock I used to cook my rice already has a lot of seasoning in it. So I'm just going to do little on the mixed vegetables. Now it's time to add the shrimp. You can see the shrimp has also drained out all the water there. So I'm also going to season my shrimp. There's some salt and some pepper. And I'm going to stir fry until the shrimp starts to turn pink. Since I already put some curry powder in my chicken stock, the rice is already the color I want, so I'm not going to add curry powder to this sauce. So now I'm just going to add in my cooked rice. And then I mix everything up. Finally, I'll add my eggs, and you just want to stir fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes for the rice to get warm and for all the flavors to mix well. And that's it. The fried rice is ready. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Leave a comment in the comment section below on what you think about this recipe and what kind of recipes you would like to see next, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.